So this is just a quick little guide on how to set up your traditional line art for digital colouring and make it transparent so you can change the colour of the lines, colour underneath it, all that fun stuff. So this is just a piece of artwork I've scanned, and you're going to want to check before you do anything that you have your image mode set to grayscale. So that is up here. You go to image, mode, and then grayscale. And then to clean it up a bit, I like to use just the levels tool, move everything around, get rid of some of this noise. The aim is to make sure that it's all in black and white. You might want to use the brightness and contrast tool a bit more if you haven't got quite a white background, but this is fine for these purposes. I'm not going to go too into that. The main thing is just to get rid of any noise you can. And then to help with that, you can go into your filter and sharpen the lines, and that just makes it a little bit more crisp. And now we're going to go into the channels panel here, drag that across. And you want to click this weird sort of dotted circle. Click on that, use your select tool and go right click and say select inverse. And then you click this sort of piece of paper with a corner folded to create a new channel. Copy and paste that. Go back into your layers panel, make a new layer, and then paste your copied channel in here. You can delete the background and fill it all in whatever colour you like. And now let's just change this back to RGB. Don't flatten the image because then you'll lose what you've just done. And now we should be able to colour directly underneath the line art. And you can also lock the layer, change the colour of all of this. Nothing's gonna get impacted by that. That's just like as if you'd drawn it in Photoshop. So yeah, that's that. It's dead easy, really quick. And it just means that you can draw nice lines with a pen and then colour them in Photoshop. That's all. Bye!